the best informed and most convincing environmental protector.
Vielen Dank. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the Governor, Consul General Dr. Lutz, Sindh Government, and all my friends that are here, and the ASF. The key word, thank you so much for the key word that we have hope. I have hope. I have spent the last 15 years in the swamps on the islands of Karachi. I don't dress like this. And today is very important. Vielen Dank, dass ich da sprechen kann. ये बहुत अहम है कि मुझे ये मौका मिला है मेरे लिए खास तौर पे मगर इस शहर के लिए. It is extremely important for the city that we realize that we are sitting on the cusp, right on the edge, 15 minutes away by slow boat. Within a kilometer, less than a kilometer and a half of Dodaria lies a forest that is incredible.
I have been with you, and it was a pleasure going there, and it's a fascinating picture. And perhaps you show us some of the pictures.